Hi everyone, welcome to vPakistan. Today I'll be showing you how to generate bulk clip art for selling on Etsy. Let's dive right in. We'll be using a tool that we've created. To get started, we need to generate some prompts. We'll use ChatGPT for this step. I'll provide the prompt format in the description below. ChatGPT will start by giving us various animals. For this demo, I'll generate 50 prompts, but you can adjust this number based on your needs. Once the 50 prompts are ready, we'll simply copy and paste them into our tool. After pasting the prompts, you can choose the number of images per prompt. For this demo, I'll set it to generate 1 image per prompt, but you can opt for more if you prefer. I recommend generating between 50 to 100 images at a time for best results. Now, let's click Generate and watch the magic unfold. The images will start appearing quickly. With these images, you can create attractive clip art packs and sell them on Etsy with ease. Remember to review the images and remove backgrounds or any unnecessary spaces to ensure they look professional. This tool can generate a variety of images from clip art to wall art. If you're interested in getting this tool, contact details are in the description below, and good luck with your Etsy shop.